What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to quickly master slave your IR4s so that when using the remote, that one light will talk to another and you can make all of them do the same thing. So with your IR4, first you want to go ahead and set your master. So with our master light, we're going to go ahead and turn it on, and we're going to toggle through the settings here until we get just the master on up there in the top right. So once our master is on, we could then toggle if we want to have master on or off on that individual light. So we're going to make sure master is on that individual light. And then the next thing we want to do is make sure that our wireless DMX channel, and that's that little Wi-Fi symbol there, and our IR is on as well. So our Wi-Fi is on, but we want to change that to another color that's not red. Red is a little too common of a channel. So just to avoid interference while at an event, we're going to go ahead and cycle through menu, until you get to the 0-1 and just the Wi-Fi signal showing. So once the 0-1 and the Wi-Fi signal is showing, you could then change the color channel that you're operating on. For the most part over here, our DJ company, Fusion Sound and Lighting, we operate on the blue channel. So I'm going to set that to blue. We're going to press enter to make sure we lock that setting in. And now same with IR, that's on. We're going to just make sure it's on, so press enter, and then go ahead and set this light to a color mode. So I'm just going to set this onto the green channel. Alrighty, now since we got our master light set up, it's time to set up our slave light. So we pretty much want to go through those same settings that we went through on the master light, but pretty much assign them as the opposite. So we're going to go ahead and turn on our slave light. So the first setting we want to do is make sure we set our Wi-Fi DMX channel to the same as our master light, which this light is running on the blue channel. So now we're going to cycle through the settings again until we get that Wi-Fi signal just poking up by itself. And now we can switch that over to the blue channel. Alright, and then you want to make sure you hit enter to lock in your setting. So the second thing you want to do is make sure you got your IR off on all of your slave lights, because you don't want to point at your master light and then your slave light pick up the signal and now they become unsynced. So make sure you turn off your IR on your slave light. And then the last thing you want to do to engage it as a slave light is turn off master on your slave light. So once again, make sure you're pressing enter on all those settings, and then the final step to engage the master slave functionality is switch your slave light to DMX channel. So now you can see here that this light is showing green as well. So if I come here on the master light and toggle it, that light will react and do the same. And that's with any of your color modes. So with your strobing, with your jumps, your fades, yeah. That's a quick video on how to master slave your uplight. Hopefully this helped. For more information, head over to bothlightingusa.com.